In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide transitions in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, transitions can add that extra polish to make your slides flow smoothly and look professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create engaging presentations with seamless transitions that will captivate your audience. And if you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy. Once you're all set, look toward the top right corner of your Canva dashboard and click the Create a Design button. From the menu that appears, choose the presentation option here. Make sure to select the landscape orientation for your presentation. This is a great default choice for most projects, as it fits well on standard screens and projectors. Now, you have two options to get started. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a variety of templates. Browse through these suggestions, and when you find one that fits the style you're looking for, simply click to apply it to your project. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative, you can choose to start from scratch. This allows you to build your presentation layout entirely on your own. Once you've set up your initial slide, it's time to add a couple more slides to your presentation. You can start customizing each slide with text, images, fonts, and colors to match your theme. This is where you can truly make your presentation unique and tailored to your needs. Now, let's move into the exciting part, adding transitions between your slides. Hover your mouse over the space between two slides in the slide navigator. Depending on your layout, this navigator might be at the bottom of your screen or along the left-hand side. As you hover, you'll see an Add Transition icon or button appear. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked, a menu will appear with a variety of transition effects to choose from. Some examples include dissolve, slide, and circle wipe. Selecting a transition effect is more than just a stylistic choice. It helps create a smooth flow between slides, making your presentation feel more cohesive and engaging. And as you click on each option, Canva will provide a preview, so you can see exactly how the transition will look before finalizing your choice. If you don't see the preview right away, give it a moment. It will pop up. After selecting your transition effect, you can further refine it. Canva allows you to adjust the speed of the transition, so it can be quicker for a snappier feel or slower for a more dramatic effect. You can also modify the direction of the transition, if applicable, to better suit the tone and flow of your presentation. Once you're happy with your first transition, repeat this process for the other slides in your presentation. Just hover between slides, click Add Transition, choose an effect, and customize it as needed. You can apply the same transition to all your slides for consistency or mix things up with different effects to add variety. However, be mindful not to overdo it. Too many different transitions can make your presentation feel cluttered, so it's best to strike a balance that keeps things polished and professional. When you've added transitions to all your slides, it's time to review your work. Click through your slides in presentation mode to see how everything looks. This is where you can check if the transitions flow naturally and make adjustments if anything feels off. And there you have it. You now know how to add slide transitions in Canva to enhance the flow and professionalism of your presentations. If you have any tips or questions about Canva presentations, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.